So the first thing we need to do is find f dash of x. So remember, when we differentiate, the power comes down and then we subtract 1 off the power that you began with. So here we are left with 3x squared, subtract 12x plus 5. Now to find the points on our curve where the gradient is equal to 20, we use the derivative just found and we set it equal to 20. Thus, hopefully you will spot we can solve this as a quadratic. So subtract 20 from both sides, and then we need to factorize accordingly. It should work as a double bracket, but of course not always. Sometimes you may need to use the quadratic formula for more complex questions. Here we can solve and find our two values of x, which in this case will be 5 and -1.